Always and initial are the two procedural statements in Verilog. In my previous video, I have explained how to use initial statement with an example. So let us see what is an always statement. Here we use a keyword called always, and whatever the statements we are going to write under always is called as an always block. And always statement will start executing at time 0, and it will execute the statements in the block continuously in the looping fashion. Looping fashion in the sense, here you can observe the name itself says always this statement will be executed until the simulation ends. So this statement is used to model a block of activity in a digital circuit which is repeatedly or continuously executed or repeatedly used. For example, here you can observe this is the clock signal which is giving an input to the flip-flop. This clock generator module is an always block over here which will generate the clock signal continuously. For every 10 time units, here the clock value is going to be changed, and here the clock value will be applied as a pulse input. In these cases, always statement will be used. And in real circuits, clock generator is active from time 0 as long as the circuit is power on. That's why always statement is very useful in designing a sequential circuits. Here you can observe the example module clock generation. Clock underscore GN is the name of the module, and output is clock here, and it is declared as register because of this is a behavioral description. Initial clock is equal to 0, means here clock is starting with the value 0. Under the always I have written as 10 clock is equal to not off clock, means clock is starting with the initial value 0, and after 10 nanoseconds or 10 time minutes clock is changing its value. And as I said, this always statement is going to be executed until the simulation ends, means until 1000 time units clock is continuously having a value 0 and then 1 and then 0 and then 1 always. This process goes on until the simulation ends. That's why this always is going to be used with the clock signal. And always statement start at time 0 and executes the statement clock is equal to not off clock every time units here. And notice that initialization of clock has to be done inside a separate initial statement. Here separate initial is used to declare a clock initially to 0 or 1, and then always is used to make the changes in the clock signal. And this statement is used here just to show when actually this always statement is going to stop its execution.